Gentlemen, big day. Did you guys see back there? The FedEx truck is here with a big old pallet of Porsche parts. I guess the cup kit is here. So I'm excited. Let's see what they got. Let's see it. So this is it. It's a huge old box right here. The cup kit is here. We're getting ready to head over to K&G. With the cup kit, we gotta take the truck out. We're gonna back it in, slide this thing around to the bed, and head over to K&G. All right, Behemoth is coming out. I love hot moms. Slide that thing right in there.
Thank you, sir. Appreciate you.
There you go.
Thank you.
Let me get a quick signature.
Yeah.
Jesus.
What is up, everybody? What is up? This is day 3 of the Porsche build. So we just got to K&G. As you guys can see, the cup kit is officially here. We're excited. In today's video, you guys will see us unbox it and see what comes in the kit and what we got to do to put the kit on the car and get this thing up and running for our show in March 29th. Yo, easy. Settle that weight, man. Hang on. It's fine, bro. It's just ABS plastic anyways.
It's here. It's here, boys. It's like a fine steak. Dinner.
What? That's how you cut your steak, bro?
I remember how
No wonder you're eating at
remember how we
Applebee's.
talked about not going extensive with this build and just keeping them like OEM.
I would be very careful with that knife, brother. What if you accidentally scratch the bumper inside?
It's ready to be opened.
You didn't even open it. It was supposed to be cut from here, bro.
Oh, right here, Luis. Oh, my bad.
What part did you open from, bro?
I opened over here.
You're doing too much. Whoa. Whoa.
So this is how they come, huh?
And where did this come from?
From Germany, I believe.
From Germany?
Yeah. Whoa.
Whoa. German.
Damn, look. We're going to frame this.
Damn. Cup. Damn. What is this?
Cardboard.
No, there's parts in there. Stickers. They gave you cup stickers.
No, they don't. All right, Louis, do me a favor. Let's move the block behind you.
What's in there?
What is it? I don't know.
Oh, the grills.
Grills and stuff.
Grills.
Oh, the bumper.
The grills.
All right, let's just keep that as it is. What's it called? Moisture? Yeah. This German.
Paper is German too.
Whoa!
Whoa! Mentai Racing! Mentai Racing! The slip doesn't look aggressive,
It's
man.
about the same as his.
This is smooth though, so this could
Yeah,
be
it's
wrapped.
smooth, yeah.
That's the fender?
Yeah.
Whoa. Hold on. Whoa! What else you digging in there, brother?
I don't know what this is.
That's probably that's the front fog light housing.
Oh.
Oh, you did the 991.2, huh? Oh, okay. Oh, they give you new wheel wells too?
Yeah.
The fender liners?
You paid for this,
Oh, my bad, brother. I didn't know, brother.
Oh, and I guess this is the inner liner?
Yeah, it's probably with that. It's a lot of things.
I don't know what this is.
That's probably the bumper support.
Oh, the arches. The flares.
The flares? Oh!
Fiberglass.
Are they?
No. Double-sided tape.
Whoa!
What gazy shit is this?
You guys are crazy, man.
From Germany, man?
Really? Really?
How do you feel right now?
Excited.
Really?
What is this? Holy shit.
The
Core Sport
Yeah.
bumper.
That's the bump. Damn, that thing's a metal one? Whoa, easy, brother.
Oops. Easy.
Didn't realize, brother.
What is that?
That's
Other
liner. That's the bump. Oh, there's the tow hook hole.
Oh. Hey, Wicked is gonna wanna.
Whoa! That's fire. That's sexy.
Alright, hold it in the front.
That's sexy. That front end is sexy. I'm not gonna lie to you.
Hang on, let's put the lid forward.
That's fire. Got here,
Alright,
bro.
so we just unboxed the cup kit or the cup spec bumpers. Sean did the full conversion, so we have the front fenders and then everything that's needed. We have the wheel wells, all the plastics. We have the bumper. This is a 991.2 conversion, or
And a cup bumper.
the cup lip as well.
All you got.
You're leaving?
Yeah. I gotta take care of Julie, bro.
Okay. I'm gonna get a little.
I gotta see if she's ate anything or not. By the
All
time you
right,
guys.
go do your daddy duties. Go do 'em.
If anybody's wondering, this wasn't fully torn down. We were just.
That's Luis's truck right there. There's CJ's car, and then CJ has a truck that we use for events. And all of our stuff and merchandise goes in here. That's ride height. Alright, we're off. We should be good here. All the parts are here for the cup kit. All the bolts, accessories. Luis, we're gonna start off by taking apart the vehicle, test fit the parts. And yeah, we're gonna test fit the parts today. Luis, say hi to the camera.
Yo.
Alrighty guys, so Luis has taken off the fender liner from the front. And we're gonna slowly work our way to taking the front fender off, passenger fender off, and driver fender off, front bumper off, so we can start test fitting the parts. There goes another headlight. Was it hard to remove the front bumper?
No, not really. It's just a process. You have to move one thing and then after another. But pretty easy, considering the type of car that it is. I think I struggled to remove Honda bumpers instead of this thing right now.
Really?
Yeah, I think this came off in 30 minutes maybe?
Less.
Yeah.
You really couldn't wait, huh?
No, I just couldn't. Oh, but you see what I mean?
Yeah.
This is gonna have to come off, or both of them are gonna have to come off. But then does that mean that, is it gonna look awkward without anything there? Or is just that gonna be enough?
I'm hoping that's gonna be enough.
Let me remove it.
The inlets are bigger on this bumper.
Dude, I was tripping. It's cut right here.
Is it really?
Yeah, so the tab that secures the bumper from the fender to the bumper is completely out. So I was like, oh shit, did we get a damaged bumper? But I just realized the cut for the flares go here, so we can't
What is
keep
going
that.
on with our makeshift drainage hole right here?
That's top ingenuity, you know what I mean? That's you get that from years of experience.
You got it, sir.
You know?
Fine. It lines up pretty
All
well.
right, so, I mean, as to expected, this is a OEM race car kit or race car parts coming from Porsche.
So it should
from
fit.
Germany, so
You
everything
see
fits
Luis is
perfect.
set up. He's got a little Osmo there.
Getting a little excited about this vlogging, bro. You know what I mean?
And he's got his little mic on. He's got a professional mic and everything. He's doing it. He's doing it. He's doing it, daddy. No, but yeah, that's that. Let's see. Our vlog is probably looking like absolute garbanzo beans right now. But Luis has got like a tripod set up and everything on top of a gimbal. Is right there. Look at that thing. The most extensive part as of now has to be the fenders. Eric is working on this fender. Luis is working on driver fender. We took out all the shrouds and stuff, air guides. So I guess the new bumper's not going to use these, which doesn't really make any sense. But it also does have really big inlets. So yeah.
Yeah.
Look at that evil laugh that he has, bro. Look at that fucking evil laugh. Bro, this is looking like, this is so bad, bro. This is so bad, Luis.
Holy fuck, there's so many parts of it.
Oh my God, dude. Oh. I'm not showing up tomorrow, bro. I can't handle the stress. All right, Luis, fill us in. What happened?
I'm on my union break right now. So we just put back the fenders, the new fenders. So the special thing about these is that they're an OEM cut fender. We didn't have to cut his original ones, but these are still considered OEM ones. So this is a Porsche cut right there. Then we have the guiding pins right here for the wide body flare. So right now, most of it is bolted on. We're gonna go ahead and fine tune it. I'm waiting for him to finish up some small stuff. I'll put the hood down and then we'll check every gap on here if we need to shift it or just to make sure that the gap is even on both sides.
As annoying as it can be for the owner that I'm here and I'm trying to vlog and trying to figure this out at the same time, but it's also very important that I'm here for the journey. A journey of tribulations of the shit that went down.
Eric, I have the tools here.
The shit that went down. And I just love it. I love being part of it. And yeah. And that's how you build a relationship, boys. But
What grade is the sandpaper?
We're doing 600 grit.
600?
Yeah, so that just, try to get as much of that like factory. The spray comes with like a very grainy texture sometimes.
Yeah.
I want to make sure that we try to get as much of that out so that when we lay it on the ramp, it looks as best as it can.
Fire.
¿A qué hora lo vas a sacar?
about the car.
So we're almost done with the conversion. Right now we're gonna start wrapping the
Siliconator!
We're gonna put some silicone on this to double-sided tape these because we couldn't afford the actual Porsche parts, so double-sided tape these bitches on.
Give me this shit. So we got Sean here. I guess he's ceramic coating the calipers of the car. Might as well since the wheels are off. And we got Luis on the other side wrapping. He's about 75% done on the fender.